Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if this is your first time. Welcome, fam. Join the fam. But my name's Lachelle Nicole, and I talk about faith. I talk about God. We vlog, we cook, we do all fun stuff over here. And today, the fun thing we're doing is going to be my first unboxing. I'm so excited. I do have to preface that this is not sponsored. This is just me giving you guys my honest reviews of paint by numbers and how it helped me through a very, very rough time in life and how it turned to an amazing hobby. That's not to say that this channel will not have sponsored posts sometime in the future, but that's just not right now. But I want to talk to you guys about simple paintings, paint by numbers. It has been amazing for me. If you can see these, I'm going to show you real fast. These two paintings are, listen, I need to show you in the frame so that you can see it, are paint by numbers. And this was the very first one that I did. This one. And so it's the very first one that I did. And this is the second one. I have done a third one that I gave to my step baby in love, my daughter, my stepdaughter rather. I gave it to her for Christmas, and I'm about to unbox my fourth one. But I really wanted to come and tell you about how amazing this is. I wanted to talk about it because I was starting to do the fourth one. I wanted to unbox it first and said, well, why not allow you guys to see me unbox it? I don't know what it's going to look like in there yet. I got two. I just picked this one out to unbox and talk to you about before I did it. So simple, right? Simple painting, simple process, simple video. See, this is why I need to be in marketing. Maybe I need to start doing commercials. Anyway, so simple painting. I came across it. I was scrolling through Instagram. If you guys don't know, I have a video out about my current separation story. And so that was last year, 2023, late last year, the second half of it. And I was just in a really, 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 really rough season. And I was scrolling through Instagram. And at that time, I was just trying to figure out anything that can help my mind not focus on what it was focusing on. So it was Instagram, Facebook, one of those I was scrolling on and seen a video of a girl doing paint by numbers. And I said, you know what, let me just order that. Something that would keep my mind just at ease, peace, anything can help. Because at that time, all I was doing was walking. And funny thing, I was walking to a flower shop to get flowers. And I would do that weekly, which is kind of not a coincidence that this is flowers, and I'm pretty sure the two I ordered has some sort of flower theme. And so as I started to think about things that make me feel good, I knew flowers always made me feel good. I never did paint by numbers before. I did coloring, you know how you get the adult coloring books. I did that. I never really kept up with them, but I was so desperate at the time for anything to give me a sense of peace that I said, we're going to try it. If we don't like it, we just don't like it, but we don't know, but we don't try. So I ordered the kit. It came in. This was the first one. And I just started painting, y'all. And when I tell you, it helped me so much with keeping my mind preoccupied and just giving me a sense of woosah. That's what it did. And I don't know if it's just the process of being able to focus on the paint, focus on the picture, focus on something else, but it really did relieve anxiety in me. It really did help me get through that depression. It helped me get through that heartache. And it was such a very simple process. You literally just follow the numbers. The canvas that you get has a number. You paint the number, and it ends up turning into something absolutely beautiful. And then, like, literally, like, y'all, look at this. Look at that. I am not artistic at all. I don't know nothing about painting. I don't know, y'all, I don't even color in the lines. And so for things to turn out like this, I'm telling you, if you follow the process, it works amazing. But if you need something to help you get through this, whatever you're going through, really think about paint by numbers. I can't say it enough. But we're going to unbox this so I can see what the new painting that I'm going to do. I know that it is going to have some flower theme because, like I said, I just pick a flower theme. But we're going to see. It also has this cute quote on the back. Great things are done by a series of small things brought together. And that's exactly what this paint by numbers is. It's very small little things put together that ends up making a masterpiece. So as I unbox it, I'll let you know what it comes with. So you can get the canvas either on a frame or without a frame. I got mine on a frame because it was just easier. I did do one. The most recent one I did was without a frame, and I had to get something like this to tape it on to paint it. It does not come with the easel, guys. I got my own easel. And so I think I got that either from their site or Michael's. I will talk about everything else back here because it's also a painting process. But I'm excited to see what this is going to look like or what painting we're going to do next. So it does come. Y'all, I forgot about it. It's about to be banging. Let me show y'all. We're going to see. Oh, this is about to be so beautiful. I'm dropping everything because I'm so excited. But it does come with paintbrushes and a brush guide. So these are the paintbrushes. And I don't know if it comes with these ones or if I ordered it. But it does come with paintbrushes. I know that. So these are the brushes that it comes with. And it has a brush guide on the back. So this is value pack. So I'm pretty sure I don't know if I added it to it or not. But if you go to the site, you can see. But this is the canvas. It comes with hooks to hang it up, but look at, oh, okay. These are the paintbrushes it comes with. I bought those blue ones, and so it comes with these ones. So I bought those blue ones to have some extra paintbrushes. But y'all, look at this. I hope I am framing it right in the camera. I hope you can see it. Oh, she's about to be a beauty. She's about to be a beauty. I'm going to show y'all so you can see better. So you can see what the picture is supposed to look like. It comes with a little reference page. And this is what we painted. What? Oh, she's going to be so beautiful. I'm so excited. So you see this. This is what we're painting. This is the picture that you get to see in the end. These on this side over here are the reference numbers of the paint. And so I'll just do this real fast. So if you see 2129 is on here. This is literally just the bottle of paint. And then you go here, 2129, and you'll see a number 17. What they do is they give you stickers, and all I do is go 17, take the stickers off of that, I put it on the paint bottle. It's a little hard when I got nails. And so now I know that any number that is 17 on the canvas, I paint with that color paint. When I tell you it's that simple, it literally is that simple. And so that's the only setup you really have to do is just put that together. And some of these are just duplicates of the paint. So there's 24 in here, so there's going to be 24 colors. And there's probably duplicates of a color if you have to use a lot. So for instance, I know there's going to be duplicates of this pink color because it's a lot on the background. And so, yeah, guys, it is that simple. I will say that I did buy my own paintbrushes. So I bought some of theirs, which is the value pack over here. And so we have those. But I also bought some for myself. I think I got these. I don't know if I got them from Amazon or Michael's. And that's just because by the time I start doing painting number 3, painting number 4, I'm getting a little bit better at it. No, let me rephrase that. Because I was good, and we're not talking about perfect. I'm just getting better at the technique. And I wanted some that can make it easier for me to hold while I'm doing brush strokes. I'm telling y'all, your girl's Picasso at paint by numbers now. Now I'm talking about brush strokes, what paint brushes work, you know, what brushes I like. I got a whole paintbrush holder. I have a holder that I just keep all my clean brushes in. This is where I put the brushes that I'm using, and I just clean them and just have a washcloth in there so they can dry. But this is where I put my dirty water in. I have water behind there that I just refill it up. And I literally just light a candle, maybe play some lo-fi music, and just get going. Like, I'm a real artist out here. But I wanted to share that with you guys. I am excited. I'm going to start painting her soon. You know what you guys can help me with, though? And so, because this has flowers, and she has flowers, this one has flowers, and I know that the other one I ordered is going to have flowers too, because I just love a flower theme. Help me name them. So I already named the series, because why not? So these series of paintings that I'm going to be done, I think I'm just going to do 4. I'm going to hang them up, and I'm calling them Bloom, because I feel like I am in a series of bloom right now. And I'm in a season rather, not a series. I'm in a season of bloom in my life. I'm in a season of just newness, you know, figuring out what's new, figuring out where I'm going next. And there was something about the blooming of a flower that just excites me. And so we're going to have 4, but I need specific names for each one. So leave me in the comments, what would you name her? And what will we name her? And when we get done, what will we name her? So if you have some cool names, flower theme, let me know, because I'm going to write the names on the back of them, because this is what the back looks like when I hang them up. And so, yes, y'all, I just wanted to share that with you. Let me know, have you done paint by numbers before? Do you like it? Was this something that you were just like, I don't know about it, y'all. It was too much for me. It can get very specific and detailed. Some of the numbers can be this small. So you got to try it out for yourself. But let me know if you're going to do it. Let me know in the comments, like, girl, I'm about to try this. Or if you've already done it, let me see your pictures. Get me inspired. We can inspire each other. Follow me on Instagram. DM that. But yeah, guys, I'm going to get started on this new one. She is so beautiful. This is about to make, I'm excited now. So I'm going to get started on it. And I hope you like this video. This is my first unboxing. It was pretty cool. I like doing it. But yes, let me know what you think, and we're going to get started. And once again, if you got this far, like, comment, subscribe, join the fam. We good vibes over here. And I'm going to see y'all soon. Bye.